said, "Is your name Beach Bear?" And I said, "Why, sure." They said, "You're just the boy we've been looking for." Well, I was framed. Oh, I was framed. Well, I swear I never do nothing wrong, but I always get blamed. Lord, I was framed. Well, they put me in a lineup and let them bright lights shine, and I was one of 10 poor souls just a standing in line. Well, I knew I was the victim of some devious evil plan when a stool pigeon walked in and said, "Yeah, that's the man." I said I was framed. Lord have mercy, I was framed. I never do nothing wrong, but I always get blamed. Well, I was framed. With them little violins now. Prosecuting attorney started prosecuting me. Man, that guy gave me the first, second, and third degree. He said, "Where were you on the night of 2/29?" I said, "Home in bed." He said, "Judge, this man is lying." I was framed. What am I supposed to do now? I was framed. Listen to me, Billy. I never do nothing wrong, but I always get blamed. I was framed. Well, I deny the charges of robbing that liquor store, and I'm not gonna be your scapegoat for that gun you found lying outside that door. And I deny the charges of vagrancy too. But when the judge came down and poured whiskey on my head, turned me around to the jury and said, "Convict this man, he's drunk." What could I do? I was framed. Ain't there no justice? Framed. Lord, I was framed. I never do nothing wrong. Look at this innocent face now, but I always get the blame. Lord, I was framed. I was framed. Was framed. Was framed. Good. Was framed. Sometimes I think I've been wearing stripes all my life.